Hey y'all, hey, so it's your girl Unique, finally back with another Natural Glam video. So, it's going real fast, so I'm gonna try to keep up. So, I'm just telling y'all, I'm priming my face with Nivea Men's Aftershave. I saw this hack on YouTube a long time ago, and I just stuck with it. It smells good though, so that's a plus. So yeah, you just put the aftershave all over your face. I didn't really plan on doing a voiceover, but I just couldn't keep talking while I was trying to do my makeup. I guess I was concentrating too hard. And my gel dried up on my edges a little bit, but I fixed it, so don't worry about it. Okay, so anyways, foundation using the shade 355 Coconut. Put a little bit on my hand, like a nickel size. Take a flat brush, and I just put dots all over my face first. Dots of foundation. Oh, I was blowing glitter out of my brush because glitter wastes all over my makeup bag. Like, my makeup bag is a mess. That's how you know I don't really wear makeup all the time, because my makeup bag is a hot mess. But yeah, so just putting dots everywhere, and I focus a lot on my under eyes because it's always creasing, and then I'm in college, so I be walking, be sweating, so I try to avoid that. Now I'm just putting everything together with the flat brush. Now I'm done. Just kidding. Don't walk out the house like this, y'all. That's ridiculous. I don't think nobody would do that. I hope not. But anyways, taking the excess off with my sponge. And the light was not acting right. So now I'm just gonna blend it into my skin. And like I said, I focus a lot on my under eyes. Blend, 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 blend. And I just remember I didn't put the little powder on my face first. I used to do powder all over first just because I have really oily skin, and it helps. But it's okay. Now for the highlight, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro in the shade Fawn. I'm going to do my under eyes, my nose, and my forehead. Then I just put a little bit right there, just because I think it's cute. And then I just take a little triangle sponge and just blend the highlight in. Just keep blending. So you can't blend no more. Oh, let me not do that. Okay, now for the contour, I use Ruby Kisses. This shade is actually caramel, but it's so dark. I guess it's like burnt caramel. So I turn my face and I contour my cheek. And then I put a little bit on the sides of my nose because I don't like my nose looking too skinny. So I just put a little bit on the sides of my nose. And then I do my forehead. I got a big head, so I'm real generous on the forehead contour. And then I do like my jawline just to bring everything together. Now I'm going to take the back of a triangle sponge and I'm just going to blend that all in. And you just want to bring the contour together with your highlight. See how like I highlighted under my contour and I'm dragging the contour kind of on top of the highlight a little bit. It's just to blend it all together. Yeah. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. And then I'm just fixing the contour that was on my forehead because I brought it down a little bit too much. So I just went back in with the sponge I highlighted with and just fixed it. Now I'm just going to put a really light shade powder on top of my highlight instead of baking. And like I just get a powder that's a little lighter than my skin tone and just put it on top of my highlight. And I put a lot of powder under my eyes just to make sure. Now for the eyeliner. And this is just a regular liquid eyeliner that I got from the hair store. My eyes was burning so bad. Now I'm finally looking in the mirror. This eye was really a struggle. Like, I could not get it together. Now I was getting eyeliner everywhere. It was ridiculous. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my MAC setting powder, and I don't remember what shade it is. I think it was like NW45 or something like that. That's what I saw on the back of it. I'm not sure, but I just put this everywhere, even where I put the lighter powder just to darken it a little bit. Now I'm gonna highlight with Sephora Golden Hour. I'm showing y'all how nice the mirror was. And so now I'm just applying my highlight with an e.l.f. angled brush. on my nose and my forehead. I told y'all glitter was everywhere, so glitter was in the fluffy brush, and I put glitter all over my face again. But I'm just going to put some of that highlight in the corners of my eyes. Now for lips, looking for my lip gloss. I use Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss in the color Love Berry. So yeah, just put my lip gloss on to complete the look. And I did put some setting spray, but I forgot to show that part. So just making sure my lip gloss right. Wipe the corners of my mouth so I work it when I walk in the hallway. They can't say nothing. And that's it. Bye-bye.